Welcome to 5 o'clock on the hill, overlooking the beautiful Grapetree Bay. Two solid concrete buildings, 5 bedrooms, and every one a suite with a sea view. Danish brick and local stone walls add character, where a large covered patio and tiled pool with a waterfall feature add to the outdoor living space. Nearly 2 acres, total privacy, and a layout built for rental income. This one is rare. Like what you see? Give us a call to set up a showing.